Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to explain about our maths question, which is about trigonometric substitution. And our lecturer is Dr. Wan Munira binti Wan Muhammad. So this is our team, which is myself, Halim Berazman, and my team member is Ikma Daniel bin Ahmad. So our group is group 4, and our question is evaluate integral of x power of 16 minus x squared dx by using trigonometric substitution. Okay, so from our question, we can see that here square root of 16 minus x squared is the same as this formula. From that, we can use this formula, which is x equals to a over b sine theta, which is this one. And then from our question, we know that a square is equals to 16, and we can simplify it into a equals to 4. So from that, we can substitute it, x equals to 4 over 1. So b is equals to 1. So from that we get x equals to 4 sin theta d theta, which is this one, and dx equals to 4 cos theta d theta, which is the differentiate of 4 sin theta d theta. After that, we can use triangle method, which is this one. We want the value of sin theta, which is sin is equals to so. We use opposite over hypotenuse. And then, so opposite of the theta is x, and this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. So it became sin theta equals to x over 4. So from that we can figure out the value for cos theta. After that, we substitute x into the question, which is this one, and we also substitute the dx because we already find it earlier here. After we substitute it, so x became 4 sin theta, and also substitute dx. So after that, we can simplify this question into this. So this one we can factorize it into 16 1 minus sin square theta. So from this calculation, we want to make it turn into this one by using math formula, which is sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So by using this formula, we can get this one. So after that, we can simplify it by square root this one. So square root of 16 we get 4, and square root of cos square theta we get cos theta, which is eliminating the square of the cos. After that, we can simplify it by multiply all the algebra and the trigo, which is cos and cos, until we get 4 times 4 times 4 equals to 64. And sine, we cannot multiply anything, so we just write it back, and cos multiplied by cos theta is equals to cos square theta. After that, we put the 64 outside of the integral, and it became like this calculation, which is 64 integrate of sine theta cos square theta d theta. After that, we substitute back the cos theta into this formula, which is cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. After that, we want to simplify even more by multiply the sine into 1 and multiply the sine into to negative sine square theta, and then we get sine theta minus sine cube theta d theta. So for the next calculation, I will give it to my friend, which is my team member, to explain it even more.
So thank you, Halim, for the explanation. So I'm going to continue with the explanation now. The last step that Halim has just explained, we continue with just integrate the sine theta to become negative cos theta over here, and then we expand the sine cube theta here to become like this, to become sine theta sine square theta. And then we're going to convert the sine square theta to become identity formula, which is 1 minus cos square theta. and then we're gonna let u equal to cos theta, and then du equal to negative sine theta, d theta. And then we're gonna substitute to the equation, and it will become 1 minus u square, and then the d theta become du over negative sine theta. And then we're gonna cross the sine theta over here, and then there's negative sine theta over here, and then it will become integrate 1 minus u square du. And then from here we're gonna integrate as usual, and it will become u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. So in the next step we're gonna substitute u back to the equation. It become cos cube theta over 3, and then just open the bracket to simplify the equation, and it's gonna become 64 in bracket of square root of 16 minus x square over 4 over negative 3 plus c. And then just solve the equation with putting the 3 over here to the top, and it becomes negative 3 16 minus x square the power of 3 over 2 plus c. So the final answer is going to be negative 64 in the bracket 48 minus 3x square the power of 3 over 2 over 4 plus c. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope it's going to be a benefit to others.